Nowadays, more and more cross-border e-merchants choose to live and short videos to bring goods. Many sellers use computers to log into their TikTok accounts. But cross-border e-commerce usually requires multiple accounts, so what if the computer is not enough? We can solve this problem with software. MuLogin Antidetect browser, which can create multiple accounts at the same time. MuLogin Antidetect browser, through virtual browser technology, can randomly generate the browser fingerprint tool. Users can also manually modify the browser fingerprint. Virtual hardware fingerprint information of different devices, such as WebRTC, time zone, language, CPU, browser user agent, system font, graphics card WebGL, screen display resolution, sound card, media device, computer name and MAC address, etc., to simulate a new computer data to achieve account batch registration, login, management, and other operations. Anti-association effect is very good, suitable for TikTok batch registration, raising accounts, bringing goods. New users can also try it free for 3 days.